Hey you guys, welcome to Janae's Journey. I'm Janae Simone. If this is your first time tuning in, hey, welcome. Please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can get notifications every week when I post. If this is not your first time and you are just strolling back through, gang, welcome back. I'm doing a Black Friday super haul. I bought so much stuff and I was waiting for my products to come in, and I think I might be missing one or two things, but for the most part, all of my stuff is in. So I'm about to just rip through these boxes, show you guys what I spent my dollars on this Black Friday, and yeah, so we're gonna just jump right in. In no particular order, I'm gonna just grab one of these boxes that I have over here. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, okay. All right, where's the tape? There's no tape. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this is from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to just take this out. Oh my gosh, I'm going to just take this out. And so we have this foam. Wow. Okay, well, that's fun. We have this super soft foam. Oh my gosh. Okay, so obviously it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills, so it is makeup. I bought a makeup palette, and not just any. I bought Jackie Aina's makeup palette. They did a collaboration. I think that, I don't know if this is gonna always be sold or it's just like a temporary situation, but yeah, this is the Jackie Aina palette. So let's just open this up because I've been wanting this for a while. Okay, and it was like, I forgot how much it was. But it was on sale. Okay, so I definitely bought it. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's soft, it's glittery. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at you. I'm gonna just get a little closer for you guys so you guys can see in this palette. I'm obviously not gonna be using this palette right now, but expect my makeup to be using this palette, and expect a review and demonstration with this palette because I've been wanting this for a cool minute. They are just absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to use this, and it comes with an application brush. Oh, a dual application brush. Okay, yes. Anyways, we're not going to be doing a review on this, but oh my gosh, yes, I've been really wanting this, so stay tuned for that. Not playing no games. Next, this is from Minimo Skin Essentials. Oh my gosh. Oh. You guys, I was really strategic with who I shopped with this Black Friday. I'm really trying to get better at spending my dollars. So I really wanted to make sure that the people that I spent money on, you know, it was all worth it. So yeah, hopefully all these products are super worth it. I did do a Black Friday sneak peek unboxing, and where I unboxed She Building's Her products. Well, some of the products that I got from She Building Her, which has been like a really great digital mentor to me. Her company is great. Anyways, I ended up getting a crop top hoodie. It was super duper cute. If you guys haven't seen that, make sure you go check that out. I also will link that below. But yeah, that was my sneak peek unboxing. I'm not going to be showing her products in this video, so if you want to see how cute that hoodie was, and if you want to see me twerk a little bit, go watch it. What do we have here? Okay, so I have the Minimo Flawless Charcoal Acne Fighting Facial Scrub. Like, yes. And I also have the Minimal Glow Turmeric Skin Brightening Facial Scrub. So, if you have watched a couple of different videos with me taking care of my face, like turmeric is a very big part of what I do to take care of my face. Like, I love turmeric masks. So this is a turmeric facial scrub. I've seen reviews on this as well as the charcoal facial scrub, so I'm like super excited to use these two. So definitely expect a video from these. Like, I've been wanting to try this company's products for a minute. So all right. Okay, House of Lashes. Okay, y'all see I have not been wearing my Fossies in a minute because I've been trying to, like, I've used Ardell mainly and mostly, like, that's pretty much my go-to. But I've been trying to use something else. Like, you know, if you guys have any like eyelash recommendations, let your girl know, because I really like eyelashes and I need to find some good ones. So anyways, this is House of Lashes. So let's see. Oh, how cute is that? The top of the box says all the pretty things. So let's see what we got. Yes, I sure did order this. Okay, so leading lashes set, our most popular premium lashes. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna just slip this bad boy off. Okay, you guys. Okay, it looks like we have a makeup bag of lashes. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have, we have 4 different types of lashes and some clear white eyelash adhesive. Yes. So let me show y'all what these eyelashes look like. Alright, you guys, and I got this, basically this makeup bag too, which is great because my Victoria's Secret makeup bag is no longer fitting all my makeup, so I'm pretty excited about this. Like, and it's super cute. It's cute. Yes, I'm about to be dolled up all 2020. Like, yes. Okay, now what's next? Oh yes, so this is from Bask and Bloom. These are the only hair products, surprisingly. I mean, it was hard. There are so many different companies that I want to work with and like try, you know, their products or whatever. So it was really hard to be like, okay, Janaea, just buy one. Like, I don't buy products that often anymore, but this was a company that I haven't got a chance to work with, so I just was like, okay, let me just buy these because I want to try these products. So here we go. What is these? So it looks like all the products are in bubble wrap. That's good, because you know products can spill if they're not secured properly. Alright, Bask and Bloom Essentials Stimulating Herbal Oil. Nourishes and stimulates growth. Yes. Also, they have like a piece of black masking tape covering the nozzle and the bottle to also make sure that it doesn't spill. That's really good. Okay, so we also have Mango Castro Twisting Cream for thick and coarse hair. Yes. Let's see. Ease leave-in conditioner. Strengthens and protects. So we got some leave-in conditioner. And lastly, we got Brahmi root hair mask, repairs and restores. So yes, so I bought a total of 4 products from Bask and Bloom. Definitely stay tuned because you know I'm about to use these. Like, I'm about to let y'all know if you just spend your bucks on it. I have heard good things about them though, so I'm not expecting anything bad. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know the real. You already know. Alright, what is this? I'm not sure what this is, so, but it has my name on it, so we're gonna open it. Okay, so a lot of bubble wrap. It's really light. Oh, wait, hold on. I actually think I know what this is. Oh, yes. Okay, guys, this is not mine. This is what I bought my mom for Christmas. It's a diamond bracelet. It's cute. She's gonna love this. So anyways, this is not mine, y'all, so I'm not gonna show it to you guys. Okay, so, oh, drum roll. Let me breathe, because the last thing I have here to show you guys is my new laptop. Oh, you guys, I have a new laptop. Yes, this is not on Black Friday. Technically, this is on Cyber Monday, but y'all, like, I'm so dang excited. I really want this laptop. It's like $1,600, and for Cyber Monday, I got it for, it was like on sale for like $9.99, you know, plus tax and stuff, but it was like $600 less than it actually would have been. So y'all, this is the Lenovo, okay? Technically, technically, I didn't buy it, okay? My boo bought it for me, but, well, I bought it with his money and got it shipped to me. This is actually a Christmas present, but I'm gonna show you guys because I'm not waiting no more. So we're about to open up this bad boy. Okay. Wow. Okay, all right, all right. Oh my gosh, okay. You guys, oh my goodness. So this is what the case looks like. I mean, not the case, the box that it's in. Yes. All right, you guys. Wow, it's so light. It smells like new paint, like wet paint. Anyways, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, so it says Think Pad right here, but it has it in a what is that? What is that called? This is the X1 carbon, and there's like one more like generation that is newer than this one. But I did a lot of research, and for the things that I want to use it for, like editing my YouTube videos and homework, like storage, good battery life, like I did a lot of research, and this one came up in a lot of the things that I needed, like in a high ranking. So here we are today, yes, to actually see what this bad boy looks like. Huh, not too bad. I like how sleek the screen looks. I'm not too fond of this like red button in the center. which I know it's like, I mean, I've used one of these before. It's like a mouse. I could have lived without that, but I'm not tripping. All right, so how do we turn this on? How do we turn it on? All right, y'all. Well, I do not know how to turn it on yet, which I would think it would be like a regular power button or something. Regardless, I will be doing a video talking about this, going through it, you know, things like that, because for next year, 2020, I am upgrading pretty much everything in my studio. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. I spent a lot of money on my new equipment, so I really hope you guys like it, because ultimately I'm doing this for you guys. And yeah, like, I want to make sure you guys are getting this information in, you know, a great way. And though I know just looking at me is enough, but I want to make sure that, you know, everything's put together so you guys can completely receive this information from me. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a go through, you know, kind of situation with this. I'm also going to have a video showing you guys the equipment that I use right now, like what my studio is like right now, and then where it is going to be. And that's in a whole bunch of set of big boxes that's over there, and I'll, you know, show you guys that in a different video, so make sure you stay tuned to that. But anyways, I got my new laptop. I got some eyelashes, I got some eyeshadow, I got some hair products, I got some skin products, some skin scrubs. Yep, that's it. Like, wow, I'm so excited to use these things. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, you guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It's only gonna get better. It's only gonna be just more information for you guys. It's only going to get more fun for you guys. I'm so excited for the new year, you guys. I hope everybody's going into it with clear minds, clear expectations, and like the drive to get it done, because there's no more time for slacking on anything. So yeah, you guys, thanks again so much for watching this unboxing. If you guys have any questions, any comments, concerns, suggestions, let your girl know down below in the comment section. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell so you can see when I post every week. Hopefully hopefully next year I can post twice a week. That's my goal. I am taking some time off school, so I imagine I will have more time on my hands to get content out to you guys faster. So yeah, hit that bell so when I do post, you know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.